Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and let's learn easy Kichuri recipe today. Here are the ingredients you need. First, saute your garlic, add your onions and your ginger. Saute until they are very aromatic and golden brown. Add your chilies. Then add salt to taste. Add some water to prevent your dry spices to get burned. Burnt spices will give bitter taste. Now add your drained rice and lentils. For this one, I only used 1 cup of rice and 1 cup of lentils. For this stage, all you have to do is fold in all the flavors of the spices that you've put into your kichuri. Wait until the rice and lentils are fully dry. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. After waiting, you are ready to pour in the lukewarm water that you've prepared a while ago. In very low heat, wait until your kichuri is cooked. Once cooked, you can pair it with your favorite curry and serve it to your family. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Bye! If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to this channel and liking this video. Until my next video, bye! Thank you!